I'm Nicole Kolenda. I'm a speech-language pathologist, a mom, a mentor, a supervisor, a professor, and a runner. Before B-School, I was feeling like I needed to make a change. I wanted more for myself. I was successful, but I knew I could be bigger, and I wanted to put myself out there in a way that was feeling overwhelming and uncomfortable, and I needed guidance. I was running around my house doing my local 5-mile run a couple of years ago. I fell and I lost my front teeth. It was devastating, and I had in that moment a choice to lose what was so important to me, or to go forward and get stronger. And I very secretly applied for the marathon, which I had never covered that type of distance before. I was not a distance runner. So it's not easy to win this lottery. 50,000 people, it's a big deal. And then of course I won the lottery. Scared out of my mind. But I knew that this was a goal I had for myself, and that I needed to just show up every day for that goal. I found B-School after I ran that first marathon. I think that that setup was serendipitous. Here is this woman that I personally could really relate to. There she is, putting it all out there, and this wonderful community that she has then developed subsequently as a result of it is so inspiring that you can't come out of that journey of B-School not feeling inspired yourself. Since B-School, I summoned up the courage and the confidence to go ahead and create my online class for parents of children with speech sound disorders. I also went and wrote a book supporting moms of children with special needs, and I have now dedicated a good portion of my professional life getting myself out there more and doing workshops, training current speech-language pathologists around Manhattan. What I learned from B-School is to show up. That's the hardest part. And I remember reading the statistics on the marathon, and what my coaches told me is that 99% of the people finish it who show up to that start line. I couldn't believe that. All of those people, all those 50,000 people, only 1% has something happen that they don't make it, but that's the power of showing up. If someone asked me if they should take B-School, I would say you're already considering it, definitely. If it's already somehow on your radar, I truly believe then the next step is to just jump in, get ready, and show up.